Canva's infographic templates are a versatile way for educators to visually represent concepts and ideas in the classroom. Use infographic templates to summarize information, craft messages for your students, and present data. Leveraging Canva to create infographics aligns with ISTE Educator Substandard 5B Designer. From Canva's homepage, search for an infographic. Select to customize a template. Templates can be edited to communicate specific ideas or topics. Simply click to edit text, and add graphics to quickly communicate an idea. And within minutes, educators can customize an infographic to be displayed in the physical or digital learning environment. Use data to visually convey ideas and statistics. Complement with colors and fonts, and embedded charts and graphs. Graphs are a meaningful way to present data to students in a visually digestible manner. To embed a chart into an infographic, select Charts from the toolbar on the left. Choose how you would like to display your data. Input your data, customize colors, and resize to add your infographic design. Canva's infographics are a compelling way to refine how teachers communicate visually across content areas. Communicate concepts clearly with your students with Canva's infographics.